Well, I really miss my partner when they can't make it out on a hike. Being out here alone, these beautiful colors, Halloween, temperature's perfect, leaves are raining down. This fills the soul. Fills the soul better than the opiate addiction I had for 12 years. Went to school to work with nature. It was always my go-to. Get a fix. This is filling up the dopamine in ways opiates never could. And I'm glad. Glad is not the right word. I am humbled that I got back to nature. Absolutely humbled that I have the time to do this and partners that support me. It's really is a charmed existence as right now, regardless of what's going on in the world. Being out here, free about all that. And it's free.